Hey guys, get ready for the ultimate hair care guide to level up your style game. Today, we're unlocking the secrets to awesome hair. Hair care facts. Taking care of your hair can be confusing, right? Say goodbye to those random products that might be doing more harm than good. It's time for a glow up. Knowing your hair type and a personalized routine, that's the key to amazing hair. Understanding your hair. There are 3 main hair types: fine, medium, and coarse. They don't care about where you're from or how your hair feels. They just do their thing. Fine hair. Quick to get greasy, wash often, skip heavy products, and grab ones that give volume. Medium hair. Not too thin, not too thick. Lighter products work for you, and you can go a bit longer between washes. Coarse hair. Thick and doesn't get greasy fast? You need moisture. Use specific oils and heavier products. Picking the right stuff. Choosing products is like picking your squad. Lighter stuff for fine and medium hair, but for coarse hair, go for those oils and heavy hitters. Wrap up. Guys, it's time for a glow up. Knowing your hair type is like having a superpower for perfect hair every day. Say no to generic products and yes to a personalized routine for killer hair. That's all for today's style upgrade. If you like these tips, hit subscribe and join us at Pro Tips. Keep shining, keep slaying, and I'll catch you in the next video.